welcome back to my channel. So today I obviously have a makeup tutorial that is a deer look, and this is a Halloween look, or if you guys want to be deers any day of the year, I totally think it's such a cute look that you can like wear it literally maybe like a deer theme party or like an animal jungle theme party. Oh my god, it'd be so cute. I got these antlers and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do a deer makeup tutorial because I feel like it's so cute and it's really not that like scary or really weird. I feel like you could do regular glam makeup and just add a little and you could become a deer. So I thought that would be easy because you guys know I'm not like a special effects kind of girl. I never really do anything scary. I kind of just stay with like the glam world. So I thought I could do this deer look and I actually really love it and I think it's so cute. So I'm gonna be doing this tutorial. And if you guys are new to this channel, hi guys, my name is Arika. I do beauty, fashion, and fitness videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button below and leave a comment if you guys like this video and if you guys want to see more videos like this. Without further ado, let's get started on this deer makeup tutorial. Today we're gonna start off with the skin. So I'm gonna take this glowy moisturizer. This is the Glam Glow Glow Starter in the color Nude Glow, and it is a glowy moisturizer. And then I'm gonna put on a little bit of eye cream. I'm gonna use the Tachi Ageless Revitalizing Eye Cream. Then I'm gonna use the corrector, and then we want poreless skin, so I'm gonna put on the Tachi Silk Cream for my primer. It also comes with a spatula. I always have nails, so I always use my nails. And then I'm gonna be using the Born This Way foundation in the color Warm Beige for a flawless canvas. And for the highlight, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty concealer in the color Granola 18N. I'm so not used to doing the skin first. I feel so weird. This setting powder is amazing. It is the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. I'm going to take this Morphe M509 and pat it into the highlight area. And then we're gonna do the brows. We're gonna go ahead and use Benefit's Highbrow to highlight under the eyebrows. Take this Luxie flat definer and blend out the bottom. Then I'm gonna take this Benefit, I love this pencil, the Brow Contour Pro pencil, and this one is the brown medium and it has like all these different shades. So I'm gonna take the lighter shade first. I'm gonna take the back of my Goof Proof brow pencil and just fix the brow, blend it out, make it look cute. I'm actually doing a shimmer lid. I'm gonna be using these amazing Cover FX shimmer veils. So the first color I'm gonna be using is called Gilded. It's a gold color. It's very pretty. So I'm gonna put it on my lids, halfway up. It's like already creating a dimension without me doing anything. It just kind of created an eye shape, which I think is so cool because there's so much shimmer and glitter in it. It just created an eye shape already. So now I'm gonna take bronze right here, the brown color, and I'm gonna create an outer V with the glitter. And then I'm gonna do my wing liner. I'm gonna take Sigma's Wicked Gel Liner. And I'm also gonna take the Sigma Winged Liner brush. And then I'm gonna draw a winged liner. And then I want like a really sharp edge, so I'm gonna take the Hourglass Voyeur liquid liner and just go over the corner. Put it on this side. I'm gonna close the waterline with MAC's Graph Black. Then I'm gonna do my lashes. I'm gonna be using the Lily Lashes in Mykonos. And then I'm going to, oh my gosh, my lips feel so dry. So I'm going to use my Tachi Kissu lip mask. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. Like, I know I talk about it all the time, but I can't live without it. I don't know how I lived without it for so long. I'm going to use this contour actually. This is the Balm Cosmetics Take Home the Bronze. And I'm going to use this Sigma Emphasize Contour Brush. And what we're going to do is we're just going to contour here and here because I feel like that's how deers look like. You know, if you look at Bambi, she's really contoured here. And I'm going to contour my cheek. And it looks crazy, but I already look like a deer. And then I'm going to take this Luxie Buffer Foundation brush and just kind of buff it out a little. You could take like a lighter contour. I'm going to take the Balm Cosmetics Bahama Mama and I'm going to take a little bit of that and add some more of the contour, but like another shade to kind of just like blend it better. I'm going to actually do my jawline Gram E bronzer from the Balm. And then we're going to contour the nose. So I'm going to take this Precision Round Brush by Sigma and I'm going to take the same dark contour, Grammy. And we can exaggerate this contour because we're going to leave it on. Now I'm going to add some highlights and do a little bit more and then we can draw the little white dots. I'm going to take this Cover FX Rose Gold Bar Highlighting Palette and then I'm going to take the Sigma Strobing Fan Brush and I'm going to take the gold, which is the 24 karat gold. And I'm going to highlight the white one, the white gold right here. And then I'm going to take the Cover FX Glitter Drops. These are amazing and so shimmery. They're literally drops of glitter. So I'm going to take a little bit of that. Ooh, so pretty. So it's like even more glittery than the last powder that we had. And I'm just gonna blend it into my skin a little bit more. And that way the highlight is liquidy. Fortune palette by ColourPop. I'm gonna take this shimmery gold color called Nouveau Lid. And that way it gives me like a little eyeshadow base. And I'm gonna take Gilded again from the Cover FX. And I'm gonna add it. And then I'm gonna take the color Bronze. Also add it to the short shader brush and just focus on the outer corner. And then I'm going to do my bottom mascara. I'm going to be using this Benefit Bad Gal Bang. This is the travel size one. Couldn't find my large one, so I have to use the travel size one. The Bass Mascara, it's amazing. Oh, and then I need to draw a little line down here. I'm going to take this Precision Round Brush and take Home the Bronze bronzer, the color Grammy. Fill in that area. I'm literally a full deer. Now for the real deal, I'm gonna be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is the white concealer. It's literally just called the Flat White Corrector. So I'm gonna be drawing dots with this and setting it with powder. So I'm like super scared of like everything moving. So I'm gonna take this Glam Glow Glow Setter. And then I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible Magic Pigments in the color Ivy League. It's like a white powder, white pigment. And I'm gonna use this to set the concealer. I'm gonna use this concealer brush. It's like a Makeup Shack brush. And go over each of the white dots you drew and set it. So I'm going to take the same Sigma Wicked liner and the winged liner brush and I'm just going to draw a tiny, tiny little nose. I literally drew it like a heart just because I'm so, I don't know. I'm scared of drawing like an actual nose. I'm just gonna draw a little heart nose. I feel like it looks cute. I'm gonna take this lip liner right here. It is the Clove Shimmer by Jouer. For my lipstick, I'm gonna be using the Lime Crime Shimmery Lipstick in the color Lana. And then I'm gonna top it off with the rose gold lip topper by Jouer to make a glittery lip. And then I'm gonna set my face with the Glam Glow Glow Setter. And we're done. Alright guys, so that's it for my deer makeup tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. I'm loving this look. I feel like it's so cute and so fun and so glam. And it's still like a look, you know? So even if you don't have antlers, I feel like you could do like space buns or like a hair look. You definitely still look like a deer without the antlers. So I feel like maybe if you do like some kind of like hair thing, something, you could definitely pull it off. So if you guys are a last minute girl, I'm kind of like that actually. I like to get a lot of costumes, but like last minute I'll like switch it or something like that. So if you guys are a last minute Halloween kind of person, then definitely do this. It's super easy. You literally just need like a few things. Like I think the white spot thing is probably something you might want to get if you don't have it. And everything else, you can just use all your own makeup and pull off this look. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys have an amazing and safe Halloween. If you guys are not watching this during Halloween, you guys can definitely do this deer look for like a jungle theme party or even just for fun. I feel like it's a look, you know? I've seen people like literally just like not on a holiday or anything do like cheetah print looks and stuff like that, and I think it's super cool. So definitely try it out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button below to help support me. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys. Mwah.
Lovers fall into my covers where they sink one by one. Yeah.
What's up guys? Heading to LAX, going to New York for New York Fashion Week. Usually I feel like I'm in the car at like 4 a.m. heading